Hi everyone, this is Lewis from Aniem Interiors and Instyle Direct. Today I want to talk to you a little bit more in detail about one of our furniture packages, our gold range. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be throwing in a few more interior design tips for our homeowners and landlords. Okay, so today I wanted to go through a little bit more in detail of what's included in our gold range furniture package. Our gold packages include high quality furniture and accessories that can boost your rental income and value of the property. Carefully considered furnishing and fabrics work together to enhance natural decors while making use of the natural light. Whether you're a letting agent or a homeowner, our gold packages come in different colour schemes and sizes to suit your property. Within our gold range, you have 3 palettes to choose from: rose gold, yellow gold and white gold. Now with the rose gold package, you have softer tones and pastel accents. A sand-coloured sofa and complementary accessories provide a peaceful environment that feels and looks like home. This scheme works perfectly well with neutral decor found commonly in the new builds in London. This helps to maximise light and space. Our white gold package, a palette of grey, white and black, create a modern feel with simple, clean lines. We start with a grey sofa, complemented by crisp, white, slate and metallic finishes for a contemporary, versatile interior. Some might find this choice low-key, but that's the whole point. You or your tenant can add the vibrant accent colours with soft furnishings, art and decor. Now onto the yellow gold. Warm, earthy tones featuring a modern mocha sofa. These tones instantly revitalise a dreary room. Now these soothing shades work well with neutrals, whites, taupes and creams. The ultimate tranquility is achieved, while soft furnishings in pops of colour can add some fun and energy. Our gold packages provide everything that you need for a coordinated, contemporary interior that will appeal to home buyers and tenants alike. Now your project will be led by one of our many talented interior designers. The installation team will install and assemble everything in your package with no extra costs. Now we have 3 sets of fixed inventories. Here are the prices and breakdown. A 1-bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom property. And this is a 3-bedroom property. Now if you needed anything added to your inventory, there are no surcharges or admin fees. We tailor the furniture package to your property. If you need an extra desk or wardrobe, if you need an extra armchair or a few more dining chairs, we have everything in stock to offer to the design. Now our tailored approach to furnishing apartments sets it apart from most of the other properties in the same building, enabling your property to stand out amongst competitive environments. Now we recommend our gold pack for rental properties in London from between £300 to £800 per week. If your property is in excess of £800 per week, we definitely recommend going for our diamond package. Now I've made another video about our diamond range in another video. Please see the link in the description below. Now as I said before, all of our gold range is in stock furniture at our warehouse in London. We install over 1,500 furniture packs all over London every single year. On average, we install our furniture packages within 14 days of receiving the deposit. So if you like the look of our gold range and you're looking for a seamless, fast transaction from having an empty property to a beautifully staged home, please see all of our details in the description below. Thanks for watching. As I said, I have a few more tips for homeowners and landlords. So for homeowners, I'd say if you don't really like changing your colours much, or you don't really like bold, bright colours in a room, try experimenting with textures. Keep the same colour tones, but change the fabrics, change the wallpaper. Try switching an item like an armchair or the dining chairs to a different fabric. This will make your home not just look good, but it will feel good too. Okay, tip number 2 is for all of our landlords. I'd say don't be afraid to have 1 or 2 items that pop out and stand out in your rental property. A colourful footstool or funky bar stool. I think these days, especially in London, you need something that can stand out from the crowd and be a little bit different. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching the video. Hit the like button below and I'll see you in the next video.